Tradin Organic for global organic ingredients. Tradin's full value chain approach includes 4 fully owned processing facilities to ensure best organic practices and high-quality control. Synopta Foods is a state-of-the-art factory in Bulgaria. Organic sunflower seeds are processed into multiple derivatives, such as sunflower kernels, oil, protein cakes, and sunflower chips. These end products are used by bakery, confectionery, industrial, and animal feed customers around the world. Ingredients that end up in many leading organic consumer brands. Crown of Holland is Tradin's dedicated processing facility for organic cocoa, located in the Netherlands. Certified organic and fair trade cocoa beans are transformed into powders, liquors, and kinds of butter. Due to the unique setup of this facility, services are tailored to match each specific color and flavor profile as required by the customer. It also enables full traceability, combined with specific regionally adapted organic and fair trade requirements. Sunvato is the processing facility for premium organic avocado oil, located in the heart of the avocado growing region in Ethiopia. The factory began operations in 2019 and has already improved the livelihoods of more than 30,000 farmers. With a top-notch production line, organically grown ripe avocados are processed into premium-grade oil. Salad Hulling is a dedicated sesame processing plant located in the country's capital, Addis Ababa. Pure premium varieties of organically certified Ethiopian sesame seeds are transformed into export-grade natural and dehulled seeds. The factory consists of a raw material store, a sesame cleaning line, a dry hulling line, and a finished product warehouse. An in-house quality control team ensures the highest international food safety standards. For many years, our products are highly appreciated by reputable clients around the globe. Tradin Organic. Beyond organic.